if you rush me off, try if you brush me off, I see.
Hi loves, good morning. So basically I'm just getting ready for church and I'm almost done with whatever I'm doing. So I'm going to go putting on this dress from Zara, or I've forgotten the brand. Let me just go in. I'm already running late, for real. This is my body mist. I showed you guys in the previous video. I'm going to go in with my 24 carats. I don't know why I used to call this 24 carats. Okay. Already go. I would have done a little bit of makeup on my face, but I'm already running late. So I just have to be fast with whatever I'm doing. I'm gonna do my lip gloss.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life is squint and can't just stare. We're bae through thick and thin, she already fixed on halfway there. Brown and back, could have changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
100 eaters, they won't fit in one SUV. SOS, somebody rescue me, I got too many, and I got, they could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright, let's send the address through, please.
SUV, the outside white, the inside brown like Michael Jack. More time, remember the line and trap. Spend like I don't even like my stack. Pistol came on an Irish ferry, let go and it sound like a tap dance. The way that I pull No yellow, the ref had to give me a black card. Who did what we're doing with rap? Man couldn't sell out the show after all them years of doing a cat sprinter. 2 gal in a van, 2 men in Milan, heard one of my things dating. P, if you need 20% or whatever she likes. Outside, head in my hand.
I told her my name is Sam. She said no, the one on your birth certificate. Your boyfriend rapping a diamond test cause they weren't legitimate. She Turkish Cypriot, but her car's Brazilian. I want her, my bro wants her affiliate. I'm cheap, still hit a chick like, yo, can I borrow your Netflix? She a feminist, she think I'm sexist. Twisting my words, I think she dyslexic. Give me my space, I'm intergalactic. Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my Amex. Alright, you see stainless steel, it's platinum. Dinner table, I got manners. T-shirt tucked in, napkin. Still loading, that's the caption. I've only amounted a minimal fraction. Eat good, I got indigestion. There's snow in my hood, no aspirin. Can't get rid of my pain with aspirin. Dave just came in an Aston, I'm making that Maybach music. They're trying to insult my intelligence, sometimes I may.
Walking through the city streets, is it by mistake or design? I feel so alone on the Friday nights. Can you make it feel like home if I tell you you're mine? It's like I told you, honey. Don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why. Keep making me laugh. Let's go get high.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry. I'ma take 10 steps, then I'm taking off top off. Take off the fairy tale streams and the microwave memes. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro, pay 5 days stay, take a quarter meal, hella 5 days. Take off the
Bundles make women happy. Can you see it? Bundles, baby. Bundles.